Hello dear students, welcome to online physics class for class 11 students. Let us continue chapter 2 units and measurement. In the previous class we studied different types of error in measurement. So we studied absolute error, mean absolute error, relative error and percentage error. Based on these four errors in measurement, today I am going to solve some numerical problems to understand the concept of error in measurement. So quickly we can revise once again what we have studied in the previous class. The 4 points you can remember, that is absolute error, mean absolute error, relative error and percentage error. So what is absolute error? In simple way, we can say that absolute error is the difference between actual value and measured value. That means mean value minus measured value, that gives absolute error, which is denoted by delta A. Then second point, mean absolute error. Mean absolute error is the arithmetic mean of the positive magnitude of all absolute error, which is denoted by delta A bar. Here we are going to find the mean value of all absolute errors. We are going to consider mod of delta A, mod that indicates only positive magnitude we are going to consider. So what is the equation for mean absolute error? Delta A bar is equal to mod of delta A1 plus mod of delta A2 so on up to mod of delta AN divided by N. It is just the mean value of absolute error. Then third point, relative error, or we can also call it as fractional error. Relative error is the ratio of mean absolute error to the mean value or arithmetic mean. Here, relative error is denoted by delta A. Delta A is equal to delta A bar divided by A bar. That is the ratio of mean absolute error to the mean value or arithmetic mean. Then last point, percentage error. Percentage error is the relative error expressed in terms of percentage. That is delta A percent is equal to delta A bar divided by A bar into 100%. So we can get the final result in terms of percentage error. So these 4 points we have discussed in the last session. Based on these 4 points, to understand the concept, I am going to solve numerical problems based on absolute error, mean absolute error, relative error and percentage error. Now we can solve the examples to understand all the 4 points. The question is, the diameter of a thin wire is measured with screw gauge. What is a screw gauge? It is a device which is used to find the thickness of the wire, thickness of the sheet, so that we can easily measure using screw gauge. The question is, the diameter of the thin wire is measured with a screw gauge in successive measurements. The values of the diameters of the wires are. So we have some following readings here, that is 2.04 millimeter, 2.06 millimeter, 2.08 millimeter, 2.07 millimeter and 2.05 millimeter. So totally we are having 5 readings. Now we have to find average diameter of the wire, absolute error, mean absolute error, relative error and percentage error. So first we have to solve average diameter of the wire. Average means what? Mean value, both are same. Average means mean diameter of the wire. First, we have to find mean value. Yes, now tell me how to find the mean value of the diameter, mean value or average value. So here I am going to find the first one, that is mean value or average value. Mean value or average value of diameter of wire. Yes, how to find mean value or average value. So mean value means generally we are going to take it as A bar is equal to. See here, totally there are 5 trials. So we can write A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 divided by 5. This is the formula to find mean value. A bar is equal to, A1 means what here? 2.04. A2 is 2.06. A3 means 2.08. A4 is 2.07. A5 is 2.05. Now substitute all the values here. A1 is 2.04 plus A2 is 2.06 plus A3 2.08 plus 2.07 is A4 plus 2.05 is A5. Now we substituted all the readings, divided by 5. Yes, find the value of A bar here. You can use the simple calculator to find mean value or average value of the diameter. So after adding all these values, I will get the value 10.30 divided by 5. 10.30 divided by 5 means I will get the value A bar is equal to 2.06 millimeter. What is the answer? 2.06 millimeter. This is mean value or average value of diameter. This is the first point. Then second one, we have to find absolute error. How to find absolute error? What is the formula for absolute error? See here. The second one, we have to find absolute error. You can see these points. Absolute error means what? Delta A equal to mean value minus measured value. Mean value minus measured value, and this is denoted by, absolute error is denoted by delta A is equal to mean value minus measured value or observed value. Yes. So there are totally 5 trials. So I am going to take it as delta A1, delta A2, delta A3, delta A4, delta A5 is equal to mean value we already calculated. We got 2.06. In place of mean value, I can write directly 2.06. In each case, I am going to write 2.06. This is mean value minus measured value. Measured values means the value of A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. Substitute here 2.04, 2.06, 2.08, 2.07, 2.05. Now easily we can find absolute error in each measurement. 2.06 minus 2.04 is how much? 0.02 millimeter. We have to write its unit. Then second one, delta A2 is equal to 2.06 minus 2.06. This is 0. Third one, 2.06 minus 2.08. Here 2.08 is greater, so negative sign. So 2.06 minus 2.08, that gives minus of 0.02 millimeter. Then 2.06 minus 2.07, that means minus of 0.01 millimeter. Then at last 2.06 minus 2.05, that we get to 0.01 millimeter. right? So these are absolute error. What is the answer? 0. Plus 0.02 millimeter. Second one is 0. Third one is minus 0.02 millimeter. Fourth one is minus 0.01 millimeter. And fifth one is 0.01 millimeter. So this is absolute error in each measurement. Now we have to solve third one, mean absolute error. Right? The third point is mean absolute error. Mean absolute error. How to find mean absolute error? Yes, mean absolute error means what? Delta A bar equal to the mean of absolute error. So here we have to consider only positive magnitude. See here, I am going to write mean absolute error is denoted by delta A bar is equal to, the formula is delta A1 mod of delta A1 plus mod of delta A2 plus mod of delta A3 plus mod of delta A4 plus mod of delta A5 divided by 5. Now find the mean absolute error. Delta A bar is equal to, substitute all the values, mod of delta A1 is how much? 0.02 millimeter. So here we can write 0.02 plus delta A2 we got 0 plus delta A3. Delta A3 is how much? Mod of minus 0.02 plus delta A4 minus 0.01 plus delta A5 0.01 divided by 5. Delta A bar is equal to, so mod of 0.02 is 0.02 plus 0. So mod of minus 0.02 is again positive because we are using mod here. So we want only positive magnitude. So minus 0.02 can be written as plus 0.02 because we used mod. Then plus 0.01 plus 0.01 divided by 5. We have to consider only positive magnitude. Now find this value. Sum of all these readings, all these values, we will get 0.06 divided by 5. So 0.06 divided by 5, that means we will get the final answer. Delta A bar is equal to 0.012 millimeter. What is the final answer of mean absolute error? 0.012 millimeter. This is the final answer. Then come to the fourth point, relative error. How to find relative error? So I can solve fourth one here. Fourth one is relative error. Yes, what is the equation for relative error? You can observe here, delta A equal to mean absolute error divided by mean value. That is, delta A is equal to, this is delta A bar divided by A bar. You can use this equation. So delta A is equal to delta A bar means mean absolute error. How much we got? 0.012 millimeter divided by A bar is mean value. Mean value here it is 2.06. Now we can find delta A is equal to 0.0058. So 0.0058, this is relative error. Right? Then last point is percentage error. Fifth one, that is percentage error. How to find this percentage error? The formula for percentage error is what? Delta A percent is equal to delta A into 100. That means delta A percent is equal to delta A we got 0.0058 into 100, so that we will get delta A percent equal to 0.58%. So 0.58% is the percentage error. Right? So this problem carries 5 marks. In this way, you have to find absolute error, mean absolute error. You can observe this is what? Average means mean value of diameter. Then second one is absolute error. These are the values, absolute error. Then third one is what? Mean absolute error. Fourth one is relative error. And fifth one is percentage error. Is it clear? So I will solve one more problem. You can observe. The diameter of the wire measured by the screw gauge is given by 4 readings. And they are 1.015 centimeter, 1.018 centimeter, 1.013 centimeter and 1.017 centimeter. Find diameter of the wire, mean absolute error, percentage error. These three values we have to calculate. So try to solve yourself. The first one is what? Diameter of the wire. First one is what? Diameter of the wire. That means we have to find mean value. How to find the mean value? Sum of all the readings divided by 4 because there are totally 4 trials. So I am going to write diameter of the wire. Mean value means we can write it as A bar is equal to, what is the formula? A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 divided by 4. Now substitute all the values. A1 is what? 1.015. A2 is 1.018. A3 is 1.013. A4 is 1.017. Substitute all the values here. So I can write 1.015 plus 1.018 plus 1.013 plus 1.017 divided by 4. So what is the final answer? Sum of all these values we will get 5.075 divided by 4. So A bar equal to 1.01575 centimeter. This is the mean value of diameter of the given wire. Now we can find the second point, that is mean absolute error. Mean absolute error we have to find. Remember, when you are going to find mean absolute error, so that time first we have to know absolute error, delta A. If you know delta A value, then only we can calculate delta A bar, its mean value. Without knowing absolute error, it is not possible to find mean absolute error. That means first I have to find the value of absolute error. So here first I have to find the value of delta A1, delta A2, delta A3, delta A4. These values first we have to find. So delta A1, delta A2, delta A3 and delta A4. These are equal to mean value minus measured value. What is the formula for absolute error? Mean value minus measured value. Mean value we got 1.01575. This is what? Mean value. In each case we have to write mean value minus measured value. Minus measured values are given in the problem and they are, the first one is 1.015, second one 1.018, third one 1.013 and the fourth one is 1.017. Now you can find absolute error. Right? Now find the values of all the 4 measurements. The first one is 1.01575 minus 1.015. That gives the value 0.00075. Then second one 1.01575 minus 1.018 and that gives the value minus of 0.00225. Then similarly third one 1.01575 minus 1.013. We will get the value 0.00275. Then similarly last one, 1.01575 minus 1.017. So we will get minus 0.00125. So these are the values of absolute error. Now we can easily find mean absolute error. How to find mean absolute error? Now easily we can find mean absolute error. Mean absolute error is given by the equation delta A bar equal to, we have to consider only positive magnitude, so we can use mod of delta A1 plus mod of delta A2 plus mod of delta A3 plus mod of delta A4 divided by 4. Now substitute all the values here. Delta A bar equal to delta A1 mod of 0.00075 plus delta A2 we got in terms of negative, so we can use mod minus 0.00225 plus third one 0.00275, fourth one mod of minus 0.00125 divided by 4. So when we are using mod, so it removes negative sign, so directly we can write all the numbers in terms of positive. 0.00225 plus 0.00275 plus 0.00125 divided by 4. Now calculate the value of delta A bar. Sum of all these values means we will get 0.007 divided by 4. So divided by 4, that gives the final answer 0.00175. So delta A bar is equal to 0.00175 centimeter. So this is the value of mean absolute error. Right? Now the third point is percentage error. Here I am going to find percentage error. So how to find percentage error? Which is given by the equation delta A percent is equal to delta A into 100%. But we don't know delta A. So delta A means what here? Relative error into 100%. Relative error into 100%. Relative error means what? Relative error is mean absolute error divided by arithmetic mean. That means delta A bar divided by A bar into 100%. So delta A bar, that is mean absolute error. How much we got mean absolute error? 0.00175. Here we can substitute 0.00175 divided by mean value we got 1.01575. 1.01575. Now multiplied by 100%. So now easily we can get percentage error. Calculate these value. 0.00175 divided by 1.01575. So we got 0.00172286 into 100%. So multiplied by 100. So we will get 0.172%. So this is what? Percentage error, that is delta A percent. So this is percentage error. Is it clear? So in this way we can find percentage error, mean absolute error, and mean value of the diameter. Right? So I solved 2 numerical problems. Now I am going to give you the remaining 2 problems as a homework. Try to solve yourself these 2 problems, and I am going to give you the proper answer in the next session. Thank you.